One learning I want to share with you: if you want to become really rich and financially independent in your life, the one skill is the decision making skill. So, how do you make a decision, and what are the costs you have to pay for the decision? For example, if you want to become a financially independent, so what are the costs you have to pay? Instead of buying liabilities like car, house, you have to keep on buying assets, like stocks, or mutual funds, or gold. These are assets. Okay, so you have to know what is the cost you have to pay. You have to pay the price for the decision to make it right. So most important skill I have learned in my wealth mastery is, if you if you want to become really financially independent, you have to know what are the costs you have to pay in your life, so that you can also become successful. uh, for example, like, um, I studied mbbs. For the cost I have to pay is like 5.5 years of my hard work. So I had this mindset, like 5.5 years I have to sacrifice that, so that I can become a really good doctor. So for every decision there's a cost. Even it is a bad decision also there's a cost, and there's a good decision also there's a cost. But you have to forecast that cost. What are the price you have to pay? Once you know what are the price you have to pay, you can able to make your decision very correct. And there is a link in the description I'll share with you for the wealth mastery, so that you can able to learn about it.